Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you my personal favorite strategy for Forex trading. And it's perfect for beginners because it's simple to understand. If you're a beginner, you don't need some crazy secret strategy to become a successful trader. You need something simple that you can understand and use effectively. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. We don't need complex indicators or tools to use this strategy. Now let's get to the charts. If you don't know me, I'm a professional day trader and I've been trading full-time for the past 5 years. When the 50 MA crosses above the 200 MA, it's considered bullish. This means that we are in an uptrend and we want to buy. When the 50 MA crosses below the 200 MA, it's considered bearish. This means that we are in a downtrend and we want to sell. I've learned from some of the best in the industry and I've developed my own strategies that I use to trade every single day. It really is that simple. If you follow these basic rules, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful trader. Don't try it on longer time frames. Also, this strategy is not a holy grail. It's not a secret indicator or a magic bullet that's gonna make you rich. It's a simple strategy that works great for me. But it may not work as well for others. And I'm gonna show you my personal favorite strategy that works great for me. The first step is to open up the 5-minute time frame on your charts. Then we need to add 2 moving averages. Go to the Indicators tab and type in the following settings. For the first moving average, set it to a 200 period with a simple setting. This will give us the long-term trend line. Then add another moving average with the same settings except for the period. Set this one to 50. This will give us our short-term trend line. In fact, all you need is just one indicator that I'll show you in this video. It's a simple strategy that involves trading with the trend using 2 moving averages. But here's the catch. This strategy only works on the 5-minute time frame. So if you're used to trading on longer time frames, you'll need to adjust your mindset and trading style to accommodate the faster pace of trading on the 5-minute time frame. I see way too many beginners get overwhelmed with all the different strategies and indicators out there that promise them the moon but end up confusing them even more. This strategy is based on day trading price action and it works best on the 5-minute time frame. The strategy I'm talking about is called the simple moving average crossover strategy. If you're willing to learn a strategy that's simple, easy to understand and has the potential to make you a lot of money, then keep watching this video. Alright, so I'm on the charts right now and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now that you have the moving averages on your chart, it's time to learn how to read them. That's it. That's all you need to know to start trading with this strategy. Remember, this strategy only works on the 5-minute time frame. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.